Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the normalized smoothed MACD indicator for MT4. This is a modified version of the classic MACD that aims to smooth the signal and normalize momentum so trend changes are easier to read. In this quick tutorial, you will see what the indicator does, how it appears on the chart, and which key parameters shape its behavior. The normalized smoothed MACD for MT4 is a technical indicator that measures momentum and trend direction by comparing two exponential moving averages and then smoothing the results with an additional moving average. It is designed to reduce noise and false signals relative to the traditional MACD while still highlighting momentum shifts and potential trend changes. By normalizing and smoothing the outputs, it provides a cleaner, more responsive view of bullish and bearish momentum phases. On the chart, the indicator typically plots a MACD line, a signal line, and a histogram derived from the distance between them. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, as shown on the histogram below, and the histogram turns positive, the two is showing upward momentum, as you can see on the chart. While it crosses below the signal line, a negative histogram reflects downward momentum. Because the values are smoothed and normalized, swings in the line and histogram are intended to be visually clearer and less affected by short-term market noise. The core parameters include the fast EMA period and slow EMA period used to calculate the underlying MACD line. There's also a signal line period which defines a smoothing applied to the MACD line itself. An additional smoothing or normalization parameter controls how strongly the indicator filters noise, influencing how smooth or responsive the plotted lines and histogram appear. Traders can usually adjust visual options such as color and line styles for the MACD, signal, line, and histogram. The normalized smoothed MACD is aimed at traders who like MACD style momentum analysis but prefer a cleaner, less noisy signal when assessing trends and potential reversal. It remains a lagging indicator based on historical price data, so it cannot predict sudden moves and can still produce false indications, especially in shopping markets. For this reason, it is best used alongside other analysis methods and sound risk management rather than as a standalone decision tool. You can download the normalized smoothed MACD indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This has been a focused breakdown from the Forex Geek to help you understand how the smoothed and normalized MACD output behaves on your chart. If you like these concise indicator tutorials, subscribe to the Forex Geek YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss future videos. Have a great